Welcome, in front of me is an Emporia Smart 5 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Now once your content is prepared, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You will have this weird animation with this pop-up right here on the side, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. As you can see, it's right here. You can tap on it to view it, and there you go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.